Hey, I was looking at your muddiest point and I saw that you were having some issues with the cube. So I just want to hop on here real quick and I was going to make a video. Um, First of all, you always want to make sure you have written down the rules. So if it's a cubed plus b cubed, so if this is a positive, then you're always going to have an a plus b times your a squared minus ab, so a times b plus b squared. This middle term will make it such that you can get rid of any middle term. So having a negative sign here helps you get rid of that negative term. If you have a cubed minus b cubed, that is always going to be equal to your a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And that's what's going to allow you to get that negative b cubed. So I know you said you were having a little bit of issues with it, so I'm going to go ahead and just work out one of the problems here. So let's just look at this. Let's look at t cubed minus 54. So the first thing you always want to look and see is, do you have a greatest common factor? And we know that 2 can divide evenly into 54, so we're going to go ahead and start by factoring out 2. So 2 times t cubed minus 2 goes into 5, 2 times goes into 14 7, so we have t cubed minus 27. So the next thing we want to see is this a cube? Because we have a cube here and we want to see, is this 27 a cube? Which we know it is. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2 times t cubed minus 3 cubed. Okay? And in this situation, we have this issue where we have it being a negative. So we're going to rewrite this to equal 2 times t, and I'll scroll back up here so you can see it's going to be minus b, so minus 3 times t squared plus 3t plus 9. And that is going to be our complete answer. We can't factor this any further, so that is how you go about factoring it. I really hope this helps. If you have any questions, be sure to jump on office hours or send me an email. I'd be happy to help you. Have a great day.